Welcome to Curry TV. Today we are celebrating our pre-Valentine dinner together. So I made all the sweets and Pramod wanted to try out some wine along with these sweets. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. Which wine did you choose for this evening?
Yeah, we got a rosé of Pinot Noir, and that's from Willamette Valley Vineyards, and it's a whole cluster.
I think it's a 2019.
Yeah, it's a 2019 wine, and it's local to Oregon.
But why this wine? Is it because my theme was all kind of pinkish peachy color?
Yeah, usually I like Cabernets, but for the sweet, I think this will go very well. I haven't tried with the chocolate covered strawberries yet, so maybe this is.
But overall, what do you guys think? What do you think?
Wow, this is this is very nice.
I also made this beautiful bouquet that I want to give it to you, but you can do that later.
But I actually bought you the roses, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
But
and
mine
these
is sweeter.
roses, right?
Mine is sweeter.
And the swans, right?
And mine is sweeter.
Oh, yeah. Yours is sweeter, but mine is nicer.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Let them decide. Okay. Nice rose.
Yeah, rosé for rose.
Rosé for rose. And we have our new Pinot Noir glass. It's a Riedel glass. It's very nice.
When I was making these, I didn't know which theme to go with, so I just picked a color and I just randomly it all came together. It looks really nice.
Yeah, very nice. Goes with the pink, and I like some of the pinkish with strawberry.
This year I made chocolate covered strawberries with desiccated coconut and some spring rolls. Those were really nice and it turned out really good, and it's crunchy and tasty. So if you like the coconut flavor, definitely try that out. I think you can do it at home with all these few ingredients. So shall we try?
Yes, we can.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very subtle, very smooth.
Bubbly. It has a little bit fizz to it. Very light.
It's
Light
actually
wine.
dessert wine. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. I hope you guys will try some of these recipes and make your Valentine a special one for you and your loved one. What else?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. See you guys. Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.